What UWM has taught me was to build more confidence in myself, what my abilities are, and really understand what I want to do in the future. During my years in freshwater science, with all the field work and lab work I've done, what I found out is that I like to actually take what I've learned from each experience and then to share it with other people, like the community. A lot of the research that I've done, I like to really take things into my own hands. I went to conferences out of state. I presented my work to other professionals nationally. I've had an outstanding presentation award in the UWM Research Symposium as of 2025. I plan on continuing the Accelerated Master's program. So for a year and a half after my undergraduate, I will continue attending the School of Freshwater Science. I want to really build myself up more, get that hands-on experience, and when I get straight out of college, I get the job. I'm ready to go and make a difference in Milwaukee.